Yeah, so this week we're here with Jason Mullins, Customer Success Manager with Aspire. Jason, how are you doing today?
I'm doing very good today. How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm great. I think this is the time of the year our customers have gotten through the busy season. They're kind of reevaluating their pricing, their margins, how they did through busy season. So you wanted to actually talk a little bit about kits and catalogs today.
I did, yeah, kind of updating your kits, your catalog items in there, making sure that you're up to date on your costs.
Yeah. What's the why behind doing this? Why would a customer want to kind of revisit those prices and then make any changes?
So having an up-to-date item catalog can really start to make a huge difference within your company, the revenue within your company, your profits, your margins. As vendors start to increase their material costs, you also want to make sure that you're updating your own costs so that you have accurate pricing, good job costing within the system. So
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Keep an eye on those margins, right? So, what's the best way to do this? I assume, I've been around long enough to know that our customers have a pretty vast inventory, and it can go in a lot of different directions from bushes and shrubs to actual hard materials for construction. What's the best way for them to kind of see what their item catalog looks like?
So you can actually request, if you want to do this kind of in mass as a bulk, you can request an export from Aspire Care. Um, get certain items exported for you to really help you, accelerate that process. You can start by requesting that item export from Aspire Care, which is basically a copy of your material items within your catalog list. Um, From there, you can go ahead and make your cost adjustments on that sheet and then resubmit that into Aspire Care, and they can bulk upload that into your system.
That's great. That makes it seem really easy. So you can do that bulk update. You can increase individual items or use percentages, right? Yeah. Um, what's anything really key for customers to think about or remember when it comes to kits and catalogs?
So a key point is during your renewals, after you have this done, you'll want to remember to select, there's going to be a box that says update costs. That's pretty important to select prior to that estimate creation to help ensure that those updated costs that you put into your catalog are being pulled in. And just, keep in mind that any item updates are not available for your material items that are marked as inventory.
Yeah, that sounds super important, especially with renewal season kind of
Yeah.
coming up. Excellent. Well, I know all of you and your counterparts, the other customer success managers, are always available for questions, conversations. Of course, Aspire Care is also available for help. But yeah, I appreciate you sharing your wisdom and your tips and tricks today.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it, Jason.
Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it too.
All right, great. We'll see you in the next Insider.
All right.